Scopus is not a villain, but the way it's used, it's breaking PhD scholars. Here's the setup. Many universities now make Scopus-indexed publications a graduation requirement. Scopus is huge, tens of thousands of journals across fields, tracked for citations and impact. Sounds rigorous, but here's the math. Top journals reject most submissions, often 80 to 90%. Review cycles stretch months, sometimes a year, then revise and resubmit, then another cycle. Meanwhile, open access fees can run into the thousands of dollars, and funding rarely covers it all. So the timer keeps ticking on a PhD clock that doesn't pause. Now, the human part. I asked PhD scholars what this feels like. "I've spent 18 months on one article," one said. 3 rounds of review. "My defense is on hold." Another, "I'm a first-gen scholar. Paying an APC is rent or research. I chose rent." And from a supervisor, "Great dissertations are delayed because we're chasing a database, not knowledge." This isn't about lowering standards. It's about mismatched incentives. A single external gate decides if years of work count. That's not quality assurance. That's roulette. So what can change? Accept multiple evidence of rigor, preprints with open peer review, field-rated conferences, institutional repositories. Evaluate the work, not the index. Methods, data, reproducibility, real-world impact, time-bounded reviews. If journals stall beyond a set window, let committees assess the submitted or revised manuscript. Fee transparency and waivers baked into policy. If you're a scholar right now, here's a survival kit. Document everything. Submissions, reviewer timelines, editor emails. Share preprints to get feedback and citations while you wait. Build a committee agreement early. What counts? What timelines apply? What alternatives are valid? Join a writing group. Accountability beats burnout. Scopus can be a tool. It shouldn't be a trap. A PhD should measure your contribution to knowledge, not your endurance in a queue. Let's fix the rule, not the student.